Hi, my name's Gleeson. I'm co-founder of Mengo Grooming, a wild artistic team member and a previous winner of Pro Barber World Series Barber of the Year. And today we're here to talk about Captain Fawcett Sea Salt Spray. When it comes to Captain Fawcett Sea Salt Spray, it has two main uses for me. It can be a foundation product to help with your blow drying, to add texture and to help grip and style, or it can be used as a finishing product on its own with the hair wet, damp straight out of the shower, scrunch it into the hair and leave it to create that natural texture. For me, the Captain Fawcett Sea Salt Spray is a very versatile product when it comes to styling. I like to stick to medium to long length hair and I'll apply this every time before a blow dry. Most of the time I'm using it as a styling product to help create those styles, the volume, the texture, but it can be used as a standalone product if you just want to scrunch it in your hair for a bit of texture straight out the door without too much fuss. The sea salt spray is also fantastic for dry hair to refresh your hair in between washes as an alternative to dry shampoo. When it comes to applying the sea salt spray, there's a few different ways you can do this. As you can see here, it can be applied to wet to damp hair and just scrunched in evenly distributed throughout the hair. And you can do this at home straight out the shower. Just get out, towel dry your hair, put the product in your hair and you can either leave it to air dry or you can use a diffuser just to really soften those curls and lock in the look. Alternatively, if you want to have a big straight volume using a hairdryer, you can apply it as a foundational product, use it as a heat protector and get that look that you're going for. My tips and tricks when it comes to the Captain Fawcett Sea Salt Spray: when you're applying it to wet to damp hair and you want to create the curls and create a softer, more lived-in look, if you're going to use a hairdryer instead of letting it air dry, stop about 70 to 80% dryness. What this will do is it will control the frizz and it will allow the hair to lay flatter to your head without creating too much volume.